welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Courtneyrainee, and today I am doing an apartment tour. If you like these types of videos, be sure to go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, and hit subscribe if you want to stick around. So now, let's head into the kitchen. I can't really take credit for all of the decorations in here. My roommates did a lot of this and they did an amazing job at making it super, super homey. You'll see. But over here I have my coffee station. This is where I have all my K-cups, and then I have this little thing that I got from TJ Maxx, and it says the weekly eats, and you can actually put like where you want to buy stuff, and then you can also put what you want to eat for the week, so you can kind of plan out your meals. Over here I have my espresso machine, and this is where Courtney's Cafe comes alive. I love making my all my friends like different like caramel macchiatos, caramel mochas, gourmet hot chocolates, all that fun stuff. It's honestly one of my favorite things to do, and eventually I will make a video on my channel talking about all my different recipes, so stay tuned. I have our little dining area here with flowers just to make everything a little bit more festive. We do have our Christmas decorations still up just because Christmas just happened. So this is our living room. Very homey, very, very cute. Keep all of my keys, so I always have my house key, and then I also have my car keys, and then my purse. Over here on the door I have this cute little hello sign. I got it for $3 at TJ Maxx. A steal. I also have this painting that my best friend Haley made for me. This says, I found my life when I laid it down. This honestly means so much to me. I love this. And then I keep my shoes here on this little rack. I think I got the rack from honestly, I think like Dollar Tree. Super, super inexpensive, and it just kind of keeps everything a little bit more neat and organized. In here I have my bathroom. Nothing too exciting. I just like to keep sort of like a peach and pink theme going. Hanging up on the wall, this is Alyssa, my camera woman. This is her purse. She got this from American Eagle, which she just informed me about. I also have my calendar here, which I keep all of like my video ideas for the month there. And then on the windowsill, these are just some knickknacks that I've collected over the years. And then I got this lamp here from TJ Maxx, and then this is a cute painting of my friend Teresa, my best friend Haley, and then me here. I have been on the hunt for the perfect bedding for so long, and I finally got it. I love my bed. I got these pillows here from Etsy. I literally had to hunt for them because I knew exactly the pillows that I wanted. I just had to find them. So I got those. My bedding, like this comforter here and this sham, I got these from Marshall's. And then the pillows back here, I got these from Target. My throw is from TJ Maxx. Same with this little breakfast tray. I also got that there. Here I have my closet. Honestly, it's nothing too exciting. It's a closet and it is way too filled. Like, this is so hard to get clothes in here. But yeah, so there's my closet. Here I do my makeup. It is a little messy, but what is the point of cleaning it when you do your makeup every single morning and it's just going to get dirty? So I got this, both of these are just filled with makeup, so. Moving on. I have my desk area here. This is where all of my editing magic happens. I love that I have this painting up here of like a woman at the desk, you know, at my desk. It just makes sense, you know? And then going off of this, I have two notebooks that I just got from TJ Maxx, and I just couldn't pass them up. So this one says, the secret to getting ahead is getting started, and this one says, snap out of it, babe, you've got a world to take over. Love these. I also have just some like little trays that I'll keep like my memory cards and flash drives in here. I have pictures of me and my best friend from Christmas when we put on onesies. I have this picture of my family right here. We are so cute. This is my dad, my mom, and my brother. I hope that you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. That is pretty much it. If you like this video, be sure to go ahead, give this a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. It will either be here or it will be here. It's one of the sides of the screen, so go ahead, hit the subscribe button. And also I will have a playlist floating around the screen if you want to go ahead and check that out. You can binge watch some of my other videos. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week. Bye!